Hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking, thank you for tuning in today's video. I would like to show you how to add ads in between your videos after you've monetized. There is by default ads that run at the beginning of the video and ads that run at the end of a video. So I'm going to be showing you the ads that run in between the video. Sometimes YouTube puts them, and at times you can go through your videos after monetizing and see if there are ads in between. If there are no, you can either add more or you can either remove if they are too much. Okay, now how we do this first of all, you have to know that you will put ads when your video is 8 minutes and above. That's the only time that you can put ads in between, otherwise known as mid-rolls. That's the only time you can add maybe 1-2 ads in between. But if your video is less than 8 minutes, you cannot do that. So I'm going to show you how we do it. You come to Chrome. You want to use the desktop version of your phone, not the normal version. So you will come to Chrome and you type studio.youtube.com. Okay, then it will one of the ways that YouTubers earn money on YouTube is through AdSense. So when you watch our videos, kindly don't skip the ads so that we can make some money. Okay guys, yeah, let's wait for it to load. As it loads, guys, kindly consider subscribing. So here we are. This is the desktop version of my phone. You have the desktop version of your phone too. You can go to studio.youtube.com as you see up here. Yeah, and it will bring you to this page. Okay, now when you get to this page, what you do, I recently monetized, guys. I'm not so much an expert, but when I knew how to check those mid-rolls, those ads in between the video, I said why not share with you guys. So that's why I'm here. You come here to content. Let me enlarge this page. There is your photo on your left hand side. There is dashboard, which is the page that is I have right now, and then there is here content. Okay, so content, it will bring you all your contents. You can see my monetized, my not my limited, my it's YouTube, yeah. So what I do, I go to any video. Let me use this, the latest one, the one that I recently uploaded. You click on that video and you see here it has brought some 5 things. Okay, but you want to add ads, so you will go to this dollar sign here, the monetization. If you click on it, it will bring you monetization. That is what you want, and it will bring you to this page. If your monetization is off, kindly put it on. Okay, so when you come to this page, if any of this is ticked off, you can switch these sponsored cards, overlay ads, non-skippable, skippable ads. Those ones, this one, display ads, by default it's off. You come here, you see location of video ads, before video, that is pre-roll, during video, mid-roll, and after video, post-rolls. You come to manage mid-rolls. Oh my god. So as you can see, YouTube has already priced for me a lot of ads on that video, but you should know that not all of these ads will play on every gadget, every country, every phone. Like, not all the ads play. Okay, so you can leave them as the way they have placed them for you. But if okay, I don't know which video has not been placed ads, but you can if there were no ads, for example, let me delete some of them. I see like after every 4 minutes I have an ad, so maybe I will delete this one. You can delete. Okay, I've deleted that one at 18 minutes. Let me also delete this one at 12 minutes. Okay, so I leave a gap to show you how to put these ads. Okay, so on this, where you see your video is playing is down here. Okay, wherever you touch, there is a bar moving with your finger. Wherever you touch, it's moving with me. How it's going is how I'm touching. So what you do, you stop it at wherever you want the ad to play. Okay, for example, I stop it there. Okay, at which minute? At 9 minutes 50 seconds. You can see it has the minutes, right? At 9 minutes 57 seconds. Now what I do after doing that, I come and there is this plus sign here, ad break. I put ad break. You see, the ad has been put at 9 minutes 57 seconds 20 something. Yeah, that is how you do it, guys. And then when you are done, don't leave the page immediately. Come here and press continue. So because you have to save your ad, continue. Okay, after continuing, you save. You're continuing to save it. You save. Why is it not saving? Oh, now it has saved. You will know that it has saved when this is no longer blue. Okay, yeah. So if I go back to my video, you see the 9 minutes 57 seconds, the ad is there. Okay, guys, that is how you add ads in between your videos. You can go, if you've monetized, that is, maybe you've recently monetized or you are about to monetize, this is a video for you. And you can go through your videos after monetizing. You can go through your videos and check if the ads have been put. I checked mine and some videos do not have ads in between at all, and others had a lot of them. Like you can see, this one has a lot of them, like every 4 minutes there is an ad, you see, but others didn't have, and I had to put. Okay, so that is how you check. Thank you guys for watching up to this time. I wish you all the best on your journey, on your YouTube journey, and let's keep supporting each other. Goodbye, see you in my next video.